Hey guys, it's Kara, and today we're going to talk about canvases. So most photographers have canvases of all sizes in their studios for sale. We are no different. We have canvases small, big, so if you have any questions, let us know. I wanted to show them on video just so that you guys could see them live and in person. So this is a gift canvas. This is an 11 by 14. We also have 8 by 10s. Our 11 by 14 and 8 by 10s we call gift canvases because we put them on easels so that you can put them on your entryway table or on your desk. So those are our little baby canvases. And then we also, behind me, have our big canvases. And I don't know if you'll be able to see them on video, but so we have huge canvases. And here's another example of our big canvas. So our big canvases come in 2 depths. This is our 2-inch. I don't know if you can see the 2-inch. And then our regular depth is our 1.5, which is, I'll show you on the gift print. So our 1.5. So any of our canvases come in the 2 depths. Now you'll notice most of our canvases that I have printed here are more of our lifestyle image where everybody is engaging and look at each other. You can pick whichever print or picture you want in your canvas, but I like the images that are engaging. So if you have any questions about canvases, let me know. I am happy to answer them. And please print your images because I think it is super important to have pictures up in your home of your family, your children, so that you can see the images that you take because you spend a lot of money on them and you want to see your beautiful family every day. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much.